Suesha and the kind of economy that we have in. So India is at a very crucial juncture. We have to take care of the population as well as the economy, which is in tatters. So it's a kind of situation. It's a kind of flux for India as of now. So we'll have to keep on moving. Suesha, right now I'm here in the control room of the disaster management of Government of Bihar, and this is the control room where the call centers are there. The migrant laborers are being talked about. Around 10 to 15 lakh migrant laborers. I've already spoken to these people in the call center. There we have Sanjay Singh, IS officer, and he's the officer on duty who is managing everything. There we have the NDRF team, which is managing the sanitization and the hotspot zones in the containment area where the people are deployed in large numbers. I'd like to rope in Sanjay Singh first. Sanjay ji, this is the call center that is operational. So far, Bihar is facing the issue of migrant laborers. How many calls do you get on this to these people on day-to-day basis, and how have you managed to address it?
See, this is State Emergency Operations Center of Bihar. It has been working 24/7. We have 20 call center executives here who receive about 2,500 calls a day. And other than this, we have 2 more call centers. In all, we receive about 5,000 to 6,000 calls a day. So far,
what are they demanding? The laborers struck. What are they demanding?
The demands have been changing with time. Initially, it was all return and ration. When this started growing, what we did is the Honorable CM decided to give 1,000 rupees into the bank accounts of all those who are stranded outside Bihar. We have so far paid 1,000 rupees to 11 lakh bank accounts of stranded Bihar.
We'll also get in a word from the people who are operating this call center. He is also taking a call. आप लोग कॉल लेते हैं अगर माइग्रेंट लेबर से, क्या उन लोग का मुख्य डिमांड क्या रहता है?
उन लोग का मुख्य डिमांड होता है खाने पीने की समस्या का, और 1,000 का जो सहायता दिया जाता है उसके संबंध में होता है।
तो वो लोग घर भी आना चाहते हैं वापस?
नहीं, आना चाहते हैं, लेकिन अभी चूंकि लॉकडाउन है इसलिए वो लोग नहीं आ।
क्या समझाते हैं, कैसे समझाते हैं?
हाँ, उनको ये
कागज है आपका।
हाँ, जैसे देखिए ये कागज है, जिसे ये भी खाने वाला समस्या बताते हैं।
नहीं, ये आप नोट क्या करते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं?
वही नोट बता रहा हूँ।
फोन करते हैं रोज?
जैसे एक इसने फ़ोन किया, अमरलाल पासवान ने फ़ोन किया, ये सिकंदराबाद से इसने फ़ोन किया, इसे खाने का दिक्कत था, तो इसको जो वहाँ का रिलेटेड नंबर्स है वो दे दिए।
वहाँ सिकंदराबाद में आप अरेंज कराएं। So this is how it is operational here in different parts of the country, and the control room is managing each and every migrant laborers across the country, and 10 lakh people have already got financial assistance. Here is the NDRF team. This team is managing, Sanjay ji, this team is managing the entire sanitization work and the hotspot areas. Are you managing? What are you managing in the hotspot areas?
सर, हमारी जो 9 बटालियन एनडीआरएफ बेटा की टीम है वो बिहार राज्य आपदा प्रबंधन विभाग के मांग पर टोटल 17 सब टीम हमारी डिप्लॉय है, और वो टीम हमारी पटना में 4 है।
सैनिटाइजेशन का काम करवा रहे हैं?
हाँ सर, हमारी टीम सिवान, मुंगेर और बेगूसराय, नवादा जिला में, इन जिला में सैनिटाइजेशन के काम और अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम में लगी हुई है।
Compile the data every day and we give it to a data analyzer. We see from where most of the calls are coming and how the nature of calls are changing with time. As you can see, the most number of calls are from Delhi, then Haryana, Maharashtra, Gujarat. So we get to know where our people are.
This call center is operational in the CM house as well as in Bihar Bhavan and Bihar Niwas in Delhi.
Right. So there are call centers at 3 places. In all, 60 numbers are operational. This is the nodal department of managing all the calls.
So this call center and this control room of the disaster management is operational round the clock. In 24 hours, people are managing here, and around 10 to 12 lakh people have already called, 50 lakh people have registered, 10 lakh people have got financial assistance who are stuck outside Bihar. And Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has raised a very important issue that Yogi Adityanath sent buses to Rajasthan to ferry students from Kota. That is also one of the most controversial angle, and has been raised by the Bihar Chief Minister as far as the violation of lockdown is concerned. And this has given a political twist to it, because we have the reactions of Bihar Minister Neeraj Kumar clearly raising objections, saying that this is injustice, because it's a divide between the rich and the poor. The rich people who are studying in Kota are being ferried by buses, and the poor migrant laborers are stuck in different parts of the country. So Nitish Kumar raising this issue with Prime Minister Modi, and asked Prime Minister to intervene in this issue as soon as possible, so that the migrant laborers and the students of Bihar who are stuck in different parts of the country do not put pressure to violate the lockdown. And that is one serious concern that the Bihar Chief Minister has raised. Meanwhile, this is the control room of the disaster management, which is operating round the clock here in this office, as well as in the Chief Minister's office, as well as in Bihar Bhavan and Bihar Niwas, helping out the migrant laborers who are stuck in different parts of the country, as well as the poor people in different parts of Bihar who wants financial assistance as well as food grains. Back to you.